Theater at Soler Resorts Entertainment City. Ito ang huling gabi ng Pilipinas Got Talent, the final showdown. Please welcome your hosts, Robbie Domingo and Melay Cantiveros Francisco.
Good evening, Pilipinas! At sa lahat ng kapamilya natin all over the world! Good evening, Ate Me.
Good evening, Robbie D.
Oh my gosh, we are live right here at the theater at Soler Resort Entertainment City para sa pinaka-inaabangang gabi ng selebrasyon at pagbabandera ng galing ng Pilipino. Ang tanong, kapamilya, are you ready?
Ready na sila! Robbie D! Wala nang makakapigil. This is it, partner! Pilipinas, buong mundo! Sabay-sabay nating ipagmalaki ang proudly Pinoy na talento dito sa ikalawang gabi ng
Pilipinas Got Talent, the final showdown! What a crowd!
Grabe! Talagang puno-puno ang Soler! Eto na, Robbie, last night ibinida ng unang apat na grand finalist ang kanilang inihandang huling panlaban sa ating PGT stage.
And tonight, 4 more will give their 100% para sa pagkakataong tanghaling grand winner ng PGT7.
Yes! At kasama nga natin ngayon ang apat na tao na naging malaki ang impact sa journey ng ating grand finalist, our Power Judges!
We got our boss, Mr. Freddy FMG Garcia!
This is it, Miss Eugene Domingo!
Donnie Pangilinan!
And Catherine Bernardo!
You want power? They are power!
Yes, 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 yes!
Please make your way to your seats. Our Power Judges saying hi to everyone right here at the theater at Soler. Nagwawala ang lahat ng kapamilya.
Grabe, Robbie, ang gabing to para tayong a-attend sa ABS-CBN po.
Very true. All right, judges, please take your seats. Make yourselves comfortable. We got an exciting night for you guys. Very beautiful indeed. Okay, judges, narating na natin ang dulo ng ating kompetisyon, na-witness na natin ang journey ng ating mga finalists. Pero kung kayo ang tatanungin, ang bilis ng panahon, no?
Grabe.
How was your PGT7 journey? Let's start with you, Miss Ogen.
Wala sigurong segundo o walang sandali na hindi ako emotional.
Oh.
Kasi para sa isang artista at isang entertainer, mabigyan ka ng isang trabaho katulad nito na isa kang judge at kikilatisin mo ang isang talent, napakalaking karangalan. I must have done something good para mabigyan ako ng ganitong trabaho. At hindi ko ito sasayangin. Kaya I appreciate all the efforts of the contestants. And you, my co-judges, I adore you completely. So tonight, magiging bahagi tayong lahat ng napaka-importante at eventful na pangyayari sa telebisyon. Handa na ba kayo?
Handa na. We adore and appreciate you so much, Miss Ogen.
Yes, let's hear from Judge Ka.
Good evening! Good evening, Pilipinas. Good evening, Ate Melay, my bro. This is it. It's the final showdown. Our last night here in Pilipinas Got Talent. What an experience. Ang masasabi ko lang, I enjoyed every bit of it. From the auditions to the semis. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa final showdown. Ang galing kasi it's just us. Ang nakikita nila dito, walang role, walang anything. And usually kasi, di ba, nasasanay kami na kami yung nandyan sa stage, nag-entertain, nagpapasaya. But this time, kami naman yung nandito, nanonood, at nabigyan ng pagkakataong mag-judge ng mga napakatalentadong contestants natin. What an honor, di ba? More than anything, sobra akong na-inspire, lalo ako na-motivate sa lahat na nakilala ko sa show na to. So, Pilipinas, i-enjoy natin lahat tonight. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Cash. And also an honor to have you in this show. Tama ba, kapamilya? Of course, we got Asia Superstar right here. How about you, Donsky. You can hear the theater at Soler right now. Grabe.
You know, my heart is just full of gratitude. I always say this, being able to sit alongside such amazing people, such amazing production people, such amazing talents, this is really a dream come true for me. And to reach this far, nandito na tayo sa grand finals. This is not an easy show to pull off, you know. And I just admire all the people also behind the camera. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng production natin. Dahil sa inyo, may Pilipinas Got Talent. Lumaban sila. Lumaban sila talaga. Kasi after the pandemic, di ba, ang hirap talaga na magkaroon ng ganitong show. So thank you guys so much. Salamat sa ating audience. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And of course, to all our contestants, this show is yours. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Donnie.
Parang magkakaiyakan pa tayo dito, ha? Yes, ang ito naman, our forever young boss, Boss FMG.
You know, it's a totally different experience for me this year because I have the new judges with me and I enjoyed working for them. I mean, with them. Ang masaya silang kasama. They speak from their hearts when they judge, and I completely respect you guys. Anyway, to the production people, you haven't changed. You're still the best.
Wow! Maraming salamat. Umiiyak ngayon ang buong production staff
Yeah.
natin. Out of gratitude, we love you so much, boss. Thank you.
Thank you so much, judges.